how you just hold it out in front of
Shit,
it.
where the fuck is the stop? Oh, it's all the way the fuck up here still.
That is nasty, dude. You know what? You can see better with this than you can actually see out the damn windshield.
I was thinking that. Who's looking kind of like this, dude?
Yeah, there's a truck in front of us. I wouldn't try the hill on Division unless you're gonna go back by the school.
I might go back by the school. I'm gonna fucking get up here to. I almost need to fucking park somewhere so I can fucking clean the windshield wipers off. Don't tell me O'Reilly's is actually still open.
They look like they are. Fucking O'Reilly's is open. Oh, man.
Is fucking Wendy's still open too?
There's Wendy's.
I don't care if they're open or not. I'm going to their drive. I'm going to their parking lot.
How much time will
shit,
this?
that dude's trying to fucking dig out and go home.
How much will this hold? Like time?
I don't know.
Will it stop?
Probably.
Holy cow! Where are we? Where's the road?
I think it's over here. Oh man, this might have been a bad idea.
Keep it just a little gas. Wow, man. So this is the frontage road in front of Wendy's, and we had to put it in 4-wheel drive. This is ridiculous. Wow. Is this dude up here stuck?
Shall we see if they need help?
You might want to back the fuck up. Get backing up, dude. Yeah, I'll hop out. Here, take your thing.
Yeah, I got it. See if I can give him a hand. We're gonna have to stop recording now.